Each and every day is ready with a new surprise for me. Hey friends, my name is Speeds and I am going to office as usual. This route I'm going for first time. Let me see how it's gonna be. So I'm choosing this route to avoid traffic. Oh man, yesterday it was horrible. I was in the traffic in the road for like around 3 hours. That was really bad. And I was told by one of my colleagues that this road is okay most of the times, very less traffic. So let me see how this is gonna be. And yesterday I didn't capture much of the videos yesterday on the vlog. I have a few, very few in fact. My camera was not on. I was thinking that it was on, but however it was not on. Okay. Sir, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? Straight ah? Okay, so I asked one of the guys, so he told this is the way. Go straight and have to take a left somewhere. If I go this road, I should be able to find a lake somewhere. Okay, maybe this is the one. Not the lake, the left I mean to say. Everybody is going this way, so let me follow them. I was talking about the block yesterday, so I have a very few footage of yesterday's ride. I'll show it to you guys. Here you go. Few clicks, couple of photos in fact, and then dust. So most likely here something happened, which is the reason for the block of this. So we were stuck in traffic for like 2 hours. So finally something good has happened. Okay, maybe. So finally I took some speed and the time now is 10:30 and I have completed 4 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Yeah. Sorry. Finally I feel like normal road. Feels so fresh. So, route through Salisbury Sardinia is risky most of the time. अबे यहाँ पे भी क्या ब्लॉक है? ओह, बस स्टॉप. A U-turn. Okay, there is a U-turn up ahead. That is why there is a little branch here. So this was like almost 3 hours. I started like around 7:30, 7:40 from home and I reached office by 11 o'clock. So that's 4 hours. 3 hours on the road. Anyways, so that is over yesterday, and today I have chosen an alternative route. I think this is better than the other routes. This is supposed to be the lake. I don't see water, but full of greenery. Nice. That is nice. Twisties. Wow. Okay, found some water there. Okay. So this was my short vlog regarding the traffic yesterday. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. I thought it is worth doing it, so that is why I did that. And one more thing, the main reason for the block was because of the rain in Bangalore day before yesterday. There was so much of mud and water in the underpass just ahead of that place. What is that? Chag? Okay. Oh man, looks very beautiful, but it's all chemicals. This is a situation of, okay, this is Bellandur Lake, huh? There was a news in the newspapers. Okay, so yesterday there was a lot of mud and water on the road in the underpass just ahead of that place. So because of which the fire force came there and they were trying to clear it off. And so I think that is a thing, and because of that the block occurred. And trust me guys, it was a terrible, horrible block. And now it's actually evening. I'm going home from office, so going home after work. So my main concern was it's not the rain or not the traffic. I mean, it's mainly about the infrastructure. Because even if just one rain can screw up the time or screw up the traffic like this with just a single rain. Yeah. How is it gonna be if the rainy season comes, or if the monsoon hits heavily in Bangalore? And not only that, yesterday was a Women's Day, International Women's Day, and there might have so many people who have who wanted to celebrate the International Women's Day, and they got stuck in a traffic for 3 to 4 hours. How does that feel like? Fish. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I would like to request you, please hit the like button if you like this video, and if you don't like this video, please hit the dislike button twice. Yeah, copied it from some other YouTube channel. So, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So as of now, this is Pete signing off from Bengaluru. Bye guys, ride safe. अरे यार, ये क्या है, ये क्यों है, ये कैसे?